This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Nelly Perez. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home featuring spacious living areas and a functional layout perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The home offers laminate flooring throughout the common areas, adding both style and easy maintenance. Enjoy a bright and open feel with plenty of natural light. Step outside to a great-sized backyard, ideal for gatherings or relaxing evenings. A wonderful opportunity to own a comfortable and inviting home. For more information, review the details below or contact Nelly Perez at 281-392-9272.